Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, LED headlights, tires rear all season. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.